Yes, Mazikeen. Oh dear. Patch her through. Hera! What an unexpected. That overgrown peacock has the gall to call my office and scream in my ear. You give them all the power. You're right. You're right, Jack. Thank you. I needed that. Hera! My deep insight tells me that you are troubled. What's wrong? Well, not exactly in those words, but the sentiment's the same. Yeah, yeah. Uh, I think the better question is why am I the only one after like a few millennia to be like the first to bring this up? It's my business when he made it my business, Hera. I didn't ask for him to call my office and whine about you throwing a tantrum because of yet another one of his trysts in the mortal realm. So let him mope around Olympus. Who cares? You know what you could do with him? You could send him to therapy for his sex addiction. And then the two of you could go to therapy for couples issues. And then your siblings, all of the Olympians, all of you really need to go to therapy for your deep seated childhood traumas. Because you all are just rich, abundant in trauma. I mean, I've got some references if you would like. Okay, that's a good start. At least you try. Oh, and Hera, do not call and scream at me again.